Hey everybody, welcome to the latest edition of Sketchy Go Ichie. I'm your host, Roger Andrews, illustrator, designer, content creator. Content I'm creating for you today is how to draw creepy critters. Enjoy.
Sketchy Go Ichie.
Yes, indeed. Creepy critters and how to draw them. Let's get into it. All right, we all know that there are quite literally millions and millions of crawling, slithering, that's slithering, not Slytherin, critters and creatures and insects and amphibious creatures that exist in our world. Yes, planet Earth. So, if you can observe them, take visual note, you will be able to have all the tools you need to generate and create your own creepy critters. It really is quite as simple as that. It's being open-minded and being in a place where you can see all the little texture details and all the little things that make these things sort of make your skin crawl. So once you do, and all that is required after that is to apply a little bit of your imagination on top. It's kind of taking, the furriness of this sort of chin on this weird dragon thing that I'm rendering right now, and along the sort of his belly plate there's some weird sort of snake-like, it almost looks like bamboo, texture that's along his belly there, and these really, spindly arms. And of course, you can't just draw, two spindly arms. You've got to draw, 6 of them to make it a little more insect-like, right? Of course, we're gonna make it creepy, and those little barbs on his tail. And of course, the character on the left is, I don't even know what he is. He looks like he's got a little bit of, this sort of some fish-like tendrils coming off of him, mixed in with some elements of a beetle. And of course, this sort of amphibious character that's got sort of the frog eyes and the slug-like body. And, of course, I had to add some slime in here with some white highlights. And that's really all there is to it, is observing what there is in life. And then taking it and attaching your own imagination and your own take on things and mixing and matching. And if you're observant and you've got a little bit of imagination, that is quite literally all you need to make your own creepy critters. That and free time. And your time is up. Sketchy Go Ichie. Live your moment. Happy sketching, y'all. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Get creepy. Peace.